hard at work in Pakistan's largest weapons black market. This is Dara Adem Khel, where foreign-made guns are copied and sold for less than a smartphone.
This is an MP5 pistol. I've been manufacturing these for the past 20 years. The price of this pistol is 7,000 rupees, and it costs 4,500 to make it.
In Gul's family, like others in this town, the skills have been handed down for generations. Trade here boomed in the 80s as the Mujahideen needed weapons to fight the Soviets next door in Afghanistan. Later, the Taliban and foreign fighters provided a steady stream of business. But things have changed since the Pakistani government launched an offensive against insurgents all over the country.
I had been running my business here for the last 30 years, but our business has plummeted, and now I want to sell my lathe machine. Our business was very good before the army operation, but it has been badly affected.
Checkposts, heightened controls, and heavy police presence are taking their toll. Customers are hesitant to come, and a growing number of shops in the main street now sell groceries and electronic products. And although hundreds of gun shops still cram the surrounding streets, many fear for their future.
There are only about 3,000 shops left. If the government does not do anything, the number will drop from 3,000 to 1,000, and eventually they will shut down and the market will disappear.
Although illegal, the gun trade here has long been tolerated by authorities. And in this tribal area, where gun culture is deeply embedded in male identity, it is seen as a legitimate business. A profession these gun lovers will try to keep alive for as long as they can.